So this light is old school incandescent. That one as well. Obviously the one in that door and the one down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this one also. So 5, 6. 6 of them that needs to be replaced. This one, it's already white color, so I don't think I need to do it. That one also. Let's see. That one. The one in the rear. Oh, those are all white already. So I'm not going to touch these. So, again, that one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this one also needs to be replaced. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the lenses out and then swap all the bulbs out on the table. Pretty easy to get this one out. You just stick a panel pry tool removal, unplug it. Oh, that came off loose. It came off because I unplugged it earlier, just to see how it comes off. That's one lens right there. We'll bring it with us. So this one, let me see. Oh, there's a little arrow right here. Try to just jab it in there. Nope. This time get something thinner. Go with it with a plastic metal screwdriver. Like this one, flathead. Try it, the little arrow right here. Yep, there you go. That one's off. Unplug it like that. Passenger side should be exactly the same. Alright. Be careful with these things. They're kind of hot if the door's been open for a while. I'm going to do this one as well. Let's go with the plastic pry tool again. Ooh. So this piece comes off, and then I believe you're able to get it out after. Oh, no. So you take this piece off first. And then there's a release tab on that side. Kind of hard to do with one hand only. There we go. This is the tab that was holding it in place. Actually, this one, I might just do it in the car. As you can see, that's the bulb right there. I'll just get the bulb and pull it out and replace it and pop it back in place. Alright, next one. One down here. This one right here. Get a position. I'm just gonna reach in here. Do the release tabs. There's a screw right there, and one on this side. And one more on that side. Now this bottom piece can come down. More screw that I'm not aware of. Alright, so it looks like it's probably better not to pull that lens off, just pop it off from this side. Ooh, this bulb's gonna be really hot. This one's always on. Let me do this. Alright, so that's it. I'm gonna take this to the bench on the desk, swap those out. I'm gonna take all the other lens bulbs around the car that I didn't do on film, but it's just the same as the driver's side, on the passenger side. And then we'll come back to this. So I picked up these light bulbs to replace all those bulbs, those yellowy ones. Hopefully these are good quality. I usually hit or miss on these things. This one says 1 year, so let's see how it lasts us for a year or not. Packaging seems pretty good. Got another bag inside the bag. Here's a couple of them outside the packaging. These are white color. Even though it's showing yellow, I think that's how they are now. Alright, here is the trunk lens. Pop it off like that. Pretty self-explanatory. Then swiggle the light bulb out. So I'm not gonna fully install this until I get to the car because these are directional. So if it doesn't light up one way, you just want to flip the bulb the other way. That's how LEDs work. This is the door one. Oops. Let's see. How does this work? Oh, right there. Probably right there. That release tab. Let me go get a screwdriver. Alright. Yep, that was the tab that was holding it in place. That right there was clipping right there. So lift it up and then slide it this way. Oh, actually more to disassemble. And then these release tabs right here. There you go. So that's how it goes back together. So that's how the door piece comes apart. This was on the driver's door. Passenger's door should be mirror image. And this is the trunk one right here. So I'm gonna go reassemble it. I won't really show you how to do that because it's just reversal. And then show you all the lights. The white lights. Alright, went to get the pieces for this one. Still has the original bulb in here right now. Brought one of the new white ones. Pull that one out. Let's plug this back in so we get the orientation correctly. Nope, doesn't work. Flip it. Oh, there it goes. Super bright. Let's see now. so I'll show you how LEDs only work one direction. Let's have this plugged in first. Alright, so yeah, steer it this way, no light. But if I pull it out and flip it 180, oh, there goes the light. And I like the color. I'm happy. Let's just try it. Why is it not staying in place? I think I can just shove some other type of aftermarket bulb in just to try it out. I gotta bend these tabs back a little bit. Okay, so if I could show it. See those copper tabs? Careful with some bulbs. They spread those out really wide and the bulbs are loose. Just the reason why I tried and deciding to go with a different brand bulb that are shaped like these, just like the originals. Much tighter after I bend the tabs back. Clipped. Let's shut this bolt back into place. And we are done. This one's done. Let me turn off the this should be cool now. Bulbs out. So here's a quick comparison between these two bulbs. The new one's kind of longer by a little bit, but not by much. And they're both glass material, like the original. So when it goes into these prongs you see right there, let me see if I can put a picture. So it won't spread those copper prongs as much. And nice and tight fit, unlike some of the LED ones on circuit boards that give us so much trouble in the past, and they just fall out of place. Let's see if I got this directional right. Nope, wrong. Every time get it wrong. There we go. And these shouldn't get too hot because they're LED. They're not like the old school incandescent light bulbs. Come on. What's going on? Maybe I need to twist it into place first. What is going on? There we go. Alright, so I wanted to do another example of the differences of the bulb I used to buy. This one, notice how it's more squared off and not like the original one. That's why I wanted to try these new ones out right here. Also, these are, you see the yellow part, that's the direction they shine. So just like the original incandescent. The one that I was using previously, this prong is so big compared to these, that they spread the copper, and then the direction of the light was going outward, which doesn't really work too well for these lights right here in the car. And that's why I'm trying these out. I'm so far happy with the light color and the fit and finish. Hopefully it lasts more than a year now.